Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel Unlimited Knowledge, dedicated to uncovering the secrets of natural health and wellness and everything around the world. Today, we have a fascinating topic to delve into and the incredible benefits of Ganodema lucidum, also known as the mushroom of immortality. So, grab a cup of tea and join us, and we explore the wonder of this ancient medicinal mushroom today. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the basic introduction of this medicinal herb. So Ganodema lucidum, also referred to as Reishi or Lingzi, has been referred in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years, and its unique properties and numerous health benefits have made it prized herbal remedy across the various cultures. Without wasting any time, let's get into the health benefit that we get from Ganodema lucidum. The first thing that we get from Ganodema lucidum as a health benefit is the property it has got, and it has got an immune system booster quality, or boosting quality, we can say. One of the key benefits of Ganodema lucidum is its ability to enhance and support the immune system. This mushroom contains the bioactive compounds, including the polysaccharides and triterpenes, which stimulate the production of immune cells and enhance their ability. By incorporating Ganodema lucidum into your routine, you can strengthen your body's natural defense system and protect against the illness. Number 2, the health benefit that we get from Ganodema lucidum is it has got anti-inflammatory properties in it. So, inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases, and Ganodema lucidum possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate symptoms associated with the conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and allergies. Its active components such as ganoderic acid modulate the immune response, reducing the inflammation and promoting overall well-being. Now next, the stress relief and mental health. Our modern lifestyles often subject us to high level of stress and anxiety. Ganodema lucidum has adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and maintain the balance. By consuming this mushroom regularly, you can experience a sense of calmness, improve sleep quality, and then reduce anxiety, and ultimately supporting your mental well-being. Now next, detoxification. Yes, it's detoxification. The liver plays a vital role in detoxifying our bodies from harmful substances, and Ganodema lucidum has been shown to enhance the liver functions and promote detoxification. Its antioxidant components help eliminate free radicals and protect the liver cell from damage, making it a valuable ally in maintaining the liver health. The next benefit that we can get from is our cardiovascular health support. Heart health is one of the paramount importance in human beings. So the Ganodema lucidum has been found to have positive effect on cardiovascular health, and it helps regulate the blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and improve the blood circulation. These combined benefits contribute to the healthier heart and reduce risk of heart diseases or heart-related diseases. And finally, we have got very next health benefit, which is very important for many of us. Some of us may be suffering from skin diseases, and maybe we are suffering from early aging problem. And in this case, Ganodema lucidum can be a very pivotal health remedy for combating the aging process. So Ganodema lucidum is not just beneficial internally, but it also has got external value. So it contains the antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and free radical, which are major contributors to our premature aging. Regular consumptions of Ganodema lucidum can improve the skin elasticity, reduce the wrinkles, and promote a youthful and radiant complexion. So, as we conclude our exploration of Ganodema lucidum, and it's evident that this remarkable mushroom offers a multitude of health benefits, from boosting the immune system to supporting liver function relieving stress and promoting cardiovascular health. Its potential is truly extraordinary. Yes, it's truly extraordinary. However, it's essential to remember that Ganodema lucidum supplements or extracts should be consumed under professional guidance and should not replace the medicinal advice of the treatment. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your health routine. Thank you very much for joining us today and this enlightening journey into the worlds of Ganodema lucidum. On next video, we will be talking about something very interesting and something very important to us. Thanks for joining us. If you haven't subscribed to us, please do it. Bye-bye.